that's the backdrop, right? That's the backdrop that has us sort of stirring and sort of swimming in this time of transition. And then the opportunity, is to really look at it, through this lens of an initiation or these thresholds that we're crossing, and to embrace like, wow, like I am in a conscious rebirthing process here. Like there's some new alignment that I'm being called to. Like what used to feel aligned, what I used to say yes to, no longer is there for me. Or the ways that I used to people please or prioritize others' needs no longer is working for me. Like I need to listen. Like it's like that no inside, the boundaries come in in ways that they might not have before. There's yeah, just a sense of being unapologetically us. Like there's less bullshit that we, put up with in ourselves and others. It's just like a stripping away. That's what I find, for so many of us. And some of us might be kind of newly experiencing that, and some of us might have already done a lot of that shedding and really feel freer. That's some of the opportunity of this time. But it is, I find it's more than just, um, yeah, a coincidence that these things are happening at this time of life because we are like looking ahead to life in a new way, you know? We don't know how long we're going to live. There's that reality. And there's also an acknowledgement like, oh, I've already lived half my life or around there, depending on your age, at least half my life and or maybe a lot more than that. And what does that bring up for me being in contact with mortality in these new ways? And how are my priorities shifting? It's really, some of those principles from my book that were really, alive for me that came to me in my 20s and 30s. It's like now seeing them through the midlife lens, it's like so much more potent, honoring my unique life, living like I matter, cultivating resilience, facing and embracing my shadows, just those are some of them, but just really like seeing how those touch you now, aligning with my yes, it's just like that one just feels like there's so much there for us. And along with this is not wanting to wait anymore. Like no, like now is time to prioritize me. Now is time to not put that off. Like now is time to really find like what about me? How do I reorient in my life to really bring my own needs more front and center, to heal so that I can give of myself in this new stage of life with more of who I am, shining more brightly with this iteration of me at this phase of life. And again, that's gonna cause cause relationship ripples. And it can feel complex and it can need some holding and support. Um, but that's, I just wanted to seed the conversation and the territory that we're swimming in here to acknowledge like what embracing this as an initiation time, a rite of passage time can offer us. And what are the opportunities in front of us?